Alright, so we need a freaking interstellar. We need an interstellar and probably a little bit more in the next 2 hours. But, good thank you, how are you? Hells, I'm amazing, but you know what's gonna be even better? Let's get a 10K likes. Excuse me.
I'm going on a whole nother way, saying words like a poet. She said, go on, I love the way you joke. And I
mean, message loves the doves. Yeah, get him to drop it.
At Lil's good at work OFC.
Oh, Big Bell. Eight's in here yet. What's up, Jess? How's it going from America? Alexis, what's good? Alright, bro.